If your iPhone 17 Pro camera control button is driving you crazy, right here, I'm gonna break this down and help you turn it off, or at least make it behave smarter already. What you're going to want to do first is completely disable the camera control button if you do not want to use it at all. Go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone 17 Pro. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Over here, look for Camera Control and tap it. Now check the camera control switch and toggle it off. Great. This would completely stop the button from responding to any presses, gestures, or accidental touches. Anyways, if you want to keep the button active but do not want to have it launching the camera every time you press it, then you can change that too. Go ahead and open Settings again. Tap on Camera. Select Camera Control. Under Launch Camera, select None. This way, the button stays active, but it would not open the camera anymore, which is actually pretty adequate for most users. Now, if you actually like the button but keep triggering it by mistake, there is a smart way to fix that. Instead of turning it off, you can go ahead and change the click behavior. In Settings, go to Camera, then Camera Control. Switch it from single click to double click. This would make you have to have a more deliberate press, so accidental presses probably will not happen anymore. Over here is another useful trick if light touches keep setting it off. Go ahead and open Settings, then Accessibility, then Camera Control. Look for Light Press Force and move it to a firmer setting. This would demand a stronger press and stop cheap accidental triggers. Okay, so now you have multiple ways to turn off or make up the camera control button exactly how you would like. Make sure you pick the option that fits how you actually use your phone. Anyways, that is how you can go after full control on the iPhone 17 Pro camera button. If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and ask right here, and I would like to help you further.